just after 5 p.m. The outside temperature is a beautiful 34 degrees. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs that you have been switched on. Do take care when opening the compartments in case anything falls out. Before you leave today, make sure you have all the belongings with you. Check the overhead lockers, the seats in front of you, and the area around your seat. If you have been given an infant life jacket or seatbelt, please leave these on the seat behind you. Please do not leave these on the floor areas, they tend to get damaged, as the crew will need these for the flight back to the UK later this afternoon. We'd also like to thank you for observing the no smoking signs, and we ask that you do continue to do so. If you are outside the terminal building, watch our clear immigration and customs, and then only the clearly marked smoking areas. Priority customs do have pre-booked wheelchair assistance, so we can ask you to stay on board until the very end when all the other customers have left us, and then the crew will assist you further. All that's left for us today now is on behalf of the two pilots and your 8 Manchester-based crew. We do hope you enjoyed today's 787 Dreamliner experience. We wish you all a fantastic time here, and we look forward to seeing you again on your return. For those of you who haven't been here before, it's a truly magical place. It doesn't matter how old you are, you're going to make memories that will last a lifetime. The theme parks are absolutely amazing, the restaurants are fantastic. Portions are very large though, so please be careful, maybe start by sharing portions to start with. The shopping's very good, but try and look out for any discount codes or just be cheeky and ask in the shops. They're like us Brits, so make sure you try and get any discount codes. So enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the theme parks, enjoy the cocktails, but most importantly, enjoy yourselves. Thank you, and a very, very good afternoon. We are aware we are a little bit late, but I've worked out if you get up 15 minutes or early, or you stay up an extra 15 minutes at night time, you'll make up that time. Once again, have an amazing holiday.
Cab crews on site.